Okay guys, so we're going to do step 1, which is write down the multiples of each of the denominators. Our fractions are 5/16 and 2/8. So Miss Heath is going to do the 8 times table first, the multiples for 8. So obviously, and then stopping at 40, lovely. And then she's going to do the 16ths. And now remember, we're looking for the common multiple of these two numbers.
As far really until we've got a multiple which appears in both of our lists. As you can see, the number 16 appears in both of our lists, so we're going to circle that, and that is our lowest common multiple. So step 3, we have found that our lowest common multiple is 16, so we now need to convert one or both of our fractions so that they both have 16 as their denominator. So we're going to convert 2/8, so we're going to write 2/8 and we're going to put 16 as our denominator. Now to get from 8 to 16 we have to times it by 2, so then we need to do exactly the same to our numerator. So we're going to do 2 times 2, and that will give us our numerator of 4, and we now have 4/16.
Okay, so step 4, all we need to do now is, we've got two fractions that have got the same denominator, so we're just going to do the takeaway. So, Miss Heath, we've got 5/16 and we're going to minus 4/16.
Okay, so we're just going to quickly show you all of the steps together. We've got 2/5 add 1/6. So Miss Sheldon's going to start by doing step 1, which is to write down the multiples of each of the denominators. So she's taken the 5 first, she's going to do the 5 times table. You don't need to go too far because hopefully you'll find a common multiple. Now she's going to take the 6 and do the 6 times table. She only needs to go as far as she needs to go to find a common multiple. Oh, so 30 has appeared in both lists, and that is our lowest common multiple. So she's going to circle them. And step 2 is to find the lowest common multiple, so she's just going to put a little note that 30 is our lowest common multiple. Okay, step 3, we now need to convert both of our fractions so that their denominator is the lowest common multiple, which is 30. So she's going to take 2/5 and turn the denominator into 30ths, and to get to 30 she needs to times 5 by 6. So she's going to do the same to the numerator. 2 times 6 is 12. So that's our first fraction. Now she needs to take fraction 2, which is 1/6, and also turn it into 30ths. Again, she's going to write 1/6, 30ths, and to get to 30 she needs to times 6 by 5. So she must do the same to her numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. So we now have 12 30ths and 5 30ths, which means we can move on to step 4, which is to add them together. So 12 30ths, add 5 30ths, equals, and we only need to add our numerators, so 12 add 5 is 17, and we're going to keep our denominator as 30ths. So our answer to 2/5 add 1/6 equals 17/30.